yellow truck. Bet they both gon' clear the scene. Watch me do 100 miles per hour when the light turn green. You know you can't ride with us if you can't show the bubble beat. Once you hit a revving on the engine, you know what that means. Red car, yellow truck. Bet they both gon' clear the scene. Watch me do 100 miles per hour when the light turn green. You know you can't ride with us if you can't show the bubble beat.
Alright, so I before I got overzealous and decided to just cut them off, the whole mount and everything where the bump stop goes, I just popped it out to see if they would actually, the new ones would actually fit in. Because if you look, see, it's about half the size, you know. And then the bottoms that goes into the thing, look at that. It's pretty daggone close. So I'm pretty sure I can get that up in there. And it does protrude out just a little bit. Not a whole lot. So we're gonna see if this works though. It's definitely shorter. Hey, so at first, man, I was like, how in the world do you get these freaking bump stops out? Because I ain't know nothing really too much about them. So, let me get this camera set up. I'm about to try and see if I can let y'all in on some of the goodness here. I probably should have just got this set up beforehand. Ew, looks kind of nasty under here. Sorry, don't worry about it. It'll all be fixed soon. Most of that stuff is like surface. But, alright, look. So there's the bump stop. Let me see. Can I get a little bit of light? Boom. Bump stop. See those little, see this right here? You got a couple of them going around. So all I did for the first one was just stuck a screwdriver up in there. And that's it. That's how you get it out. You know that dirt that was inside of there. It was a deep hole, see? Full of dirt. Alright, but, so, they say clean it out, make sure nothing's all up in there. But that's it. The next ones, I'll just plop up in here and push them in. But if I do wind up having to cut them off, because you see this distance here, if I do wind up having to cut them, I'll just cut, I'll just cut here on this weld. And then it's actually free all the way around till you get to the back side, like where the spring is. There's another weld there. So it's free on this side as well. So I'll probably just cut this weld, bend it down just enough so that I can get in there. Or what I might do, because I got my cutting wheel, cut this with the cutoff wheel. And then the one, if I got to get inside and the spring's in the way, I'll just use my Sawzall and try to keep it, like that. All right, y'all. But that's it. Oh, man, the ground is super cold today. I'm not feeling it at all. So, what I had to do last time was kind of get it in there even, like so. I held it and tried to go, like I see there's a thing there. So I'm going to push up right at it. Anywhere where I see there's one of those prongs, I'm gonna push at. There's another one on this back side. There we go. Oh, she's up in there. So I was able to use the same mounting spot. And if for security reasons, there's a hole in the center here. You just see my finger go in there. I can stick a bolt in here and it'll come out through the top because it goes all the way through. Put a nut, bolt that down, and this won't go anywhere. You know what I mean? Just for like precautions if you're worried about it popping out or anything. I am not. I don't even know if it's going to work yet for me when I lower this thing. All right, y'all. safety first. This is not one of the ones that got recalled. Had this thing down for a good bit. No issues. I actually, matter of fact, I bought it right after the recall. So, after they changed all of them out at Harbor Freight. Watching her see. Goes all the way to the bumper now. Pretty close. It is on the bumper. Definitely lower on the front, guys. Alright. This thing used to be tall to me last night, and I'm short. Oh wait. Guys. I was wrong. That's gonna work out perfectly. Ta-da!
Red car, yellow truck, bet they both gon' clear the